That's for you. Come on, open it. You want me to help you? It's good. Open it.
You're going to like this.
Come on, let's open it.
Wow. You want to ride it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's ride it.
Or do you want to fly it?
It's got wings on it.
He wants to fly.
You got his plane.
Well, I think we need scissors.
Smile. No, I got a knife. Elias, smile. You say cheese?
Hop on it. Sit on it.
Put the wings down.
Yeah.
Contact.
There we go. Now, look at Papa.
Smile.
And look, it spins around too.
Is that battery?
Yeah.
Wow. Look at that. Good
But
job.
I guess does it hopefully it came with one, or did you buy one?
It came with one. Okay, hop off there a minute. I'll open it. Is that your own plane, Elias?
Yeah. Go fly!
Take off.
It's like Snoopy's plane, isn't it? Whoop. Hang on a minute.
Hi ho.
Okay. That. Now let's see. Where do we turn it on at? Hang on, let me. Yep, just a minute. I gotta open up the instructions. Hold it. Like just like that.
Contact.
Okay. Set it down there.
Your landing gear down.
Hold on here. Let's see where we turn this thing
I
on.
think- Well,
Yep.
just open up. Instructions.
When all else fails.
Can I try this so you don't step? Open that in just a second.
You gonna fly?
Did you ever see one of these before?
I don't think I've seen a flying one.
Hey, Andrew, give me a screwdriver. Where's that? Phillips.
Look over there where he keeps stuff.
If not, I'll grab the garage real quick.
That's just your size. Just perfect for you.
You like it? You Mama kiss. Thank Mama for it. Thank Nana.
Read your shirt. No.
Okay, hop up a second. Let me turn it on. This is too big a Phillips. Do you have a smaller one? Yeah, there it is.
Oh, why do you want the door?
Okay, here's the charger. Let's see if it's charged up or not. Okay, get ready. Hang on. Hang on, man. Wait just a second. I gotta tighten this back up, okay? Okay, hop on. All right.
Oh, he's stuck.
Well, it's in there. All right, try it again. Your feet up here. There you go. Try it. Push the button. Oh! Crash!
Back it up.
Okay, get off and turn it around. Get off and move it. Hey there, Charles Lindbergh. You gotta do this. Take it off, and then you gotta pick it up and turn it
Sorry,
this
it
way.
does not go in reverse.
And you can steer it with that a little bit. There you go. Put your feet up. Okay. Now steer it.
Go that way. Go that way.
You like that plane, Bub? Wow. You go up to the sky? Is that where you want to go with
He
it?
wants to fly.
Aw.
Here, let's put your wings down. There you go.
Zoom.
He's a wing walker.
Have to go down the hallway.
You want to go down the hallway? Say bye-bye to everyone.
Bye. Take it
waving.
off.
Say
Have a
bye-bye.
nice flight.
Oh, it goes faster on the hardwood.
You go.
Go. Keep going.
Turn your wheel.
The other way. You want to go that way?
Thank you, everybody.
Over here. Oh, these are those this side. Here you go. Open the stocking. Look, Al, you got presents.